In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Pocket Option account permanently. Step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is irreversible. Once it's gone, your profile, trading history, and settings are removed and you won't be able to recover them. If you have open positions, balances, or bonuses tied to your account, make sure you resolve those according to the platform's rules before you start. Also, for safety, sign in only through the official Pocket Option website and never share your login details. Start by opening your browser and searching for the official Pocket Option site. When you're confident you're on the real site, go ahead and sign in. Use two-factor authentication if you have it turned on. It adds an extra layer of security and helps ensure you're making changes to the correct account. Once you're on the homepage, look for your profile area. This is usually in the upper corner of the screen and may appear as your avatar, your initial, or your email label. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, select Profile. This takes you to your personal settings page, where you can manage details like your name, contact preferences, security settings, and account status. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct profile page before proceeding. On the profile page, find the Delete Account option. Depending on layout updates, it might be near the bottom of the page or under a security or privacy section. If you see similar terms like close, remove, or deactivate, look specifically for the option that clearly says Delete Account so you're choosing the permanent action you intend. Next, you'll be asked to select a reason. Choose the option that best matches why you're closing the account. Some forms offer a text field for extra comments. You can leave it blank or add a short note. Providing feedback is optional, but it can help the platform improve user experience. Finally, click Confirm. A confirmation window may appear asking you to verify the action, and you might be prompted to re-enter your password or a verification code. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and confirm one last time to complete the deletion. After you confirm, you should see a notification on the site, and you may receive an email acknowledging the deletion. Keep that message for your records. If you no longer need the app, you can remove it from your devices and clear saved logins from your browser. That's it. You've permanently deleted your Pocket Option account safely and correctly.